everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and learning something new every day. So guys, today I'm going to talk about vocabs. Like guys, how it is important for us in speaking. Like whenever we are talking, and I'm just talking about your problems. Like people are just asking to me for a long time, like how can I improve my vocabs? Because whenever they are just talking and whenever they are trying to speak and whenever they are just trying to have any conversation with somebody, they are just forgetting and they are not getting the right words at right time, and because of that they are just feeling nervous and they are just like feeling underconfident because of the words. And honestly, I've told you that like how it is important for us to having a vocabs. Like I'm not telling to you all like for speaking you just need to have very advanced and you just need to have a lot of vocabularies and you just need to have a knowledge of a lot of vocabularies. No, my friend, I'm not talking about those things, but it is important and it is quite important for you all to have a basic knowledge about the vocabs and having a like sufficient vocabs for speaking. It plays a vital role in our speaking. Like there are a lot of beginners are just trying to speak and they are just trying to have any conversation with somebody, and but while speaking and between in the middle of that speech and middle of that conversation they forgot the word whatever they want to speak, and because of that word they stuck at that place and they are just unable to speak at the next thing because they forgot that like what should I use after this sentence, after this word. And at the time you will realize that how it is important for us to having a knowledge of the basic vocabularies because it plays a vital role in our speaking. So in today's video I'm going to talk about that how you can improve your vocabs and how you can implement all the necessary and all the important vocabs while speaking. And when you will start like a learning and when you will start implementing those vocabularies at the right place, then after you will feel so confident and you can easily talk and you can easily have any conversation with somebody. Okay, so let's talk about that how you can improve. And because I have improved my all the vocabularies through while these techniques, so in this video I'll provide at least 5 techniques and that techniques will improve your vocabularies and naturally and permanently, and you will never forget after memorizing and after learning those vocabularies because the way I'm gonna tell you and the technique I'm gonna tell you in this video, when you will try to apply and when you will try to implement this technique for learning vocabularies, then after that vocabularies will be forever for you all and you will never forget those things. So without wasting our time, let's talk about that and let's know about those things like how we can improve our vocabularies. So let's start. So guys, the first technique is about memorizing. What's happening with you all? You are still memorizing every new vocabularies, every new words, and whenever you are just looking and whenever you are just observing, it is very new for me, and you are just start memorizing and you start repeating again and again those things. So what will happen after this? I'm not saying to you like you'll forget that. I know it definitely you will learn all the thing, but and you will remember for some time. But after some time you will definitely forget all the words whatever you are learning with this method. You are just repeating again and again and you are just memorizing those things. After 2-3 days you will forget all the vocabularies whatever you have learned, because that's not the right way to learn all the vocabularies, all the meanings whatever you are just getting newly. So, like what you need to do, so listen what you just need to do and how you just need to learn those vocabularies. The first thing is that just don't memorize those things, just start making examples. If you are just getting any new vocabularies and you are just getting any new words and you are just thinking it is very helpful for me like for having any conversation with somebody, then just write down those things and then after just start making examples on that words, on that vocabularies. Okay, so that was the first thing. Just remember guys, you don't need to memorize all the vocabularies whatever you are just getting it is very newly for me. Just stop it like memorizing like this. And the second technique is about listening. Just start improving your vocabularies through listening. Yes, you can improve your vocabularies through listening. Just from today, just guys, just start listening English speeches, English podcast, English movies. Why I always suggest to you all to listen English things, like listen English speeches, because there are a lot of benefits of listening English thing. Because when you will start listening, then after the speaker who is also a native speaker, and he just using our basics to advance all the vocabularies in his speech, and you can also, and you can easily understand, and you can easily grab all the thing whatever you will get. It is very newly for me. Then after you can easily write down, and you can easily know about those things. You just only need to grab all the vocabularies. If you are just listening any podcast, English podcast, and if you are just watching any English movies, and if you are just listening any English songs, then you can easily get all the thing. Like listen, when you are just listening all the thing in English language, and then after you will get a lot of vocabularies, and that will be very newly for you all, and you just only need to simply write down those things, okay, and just start searching the meaning of those vocabularies, okay. So that's a very helpful for you all, because I have implemented all the techniques in my journey. Because of that, I'm just telling to you all today, and I realize that it is very helpful for me, and it will be very helpful for you all. Because of that, I'm just telling to you all, not speaking, and I'm not telling to you any extra thing. Whatever I have implemented in my journey, I'm just telling to you all about those things. So listen, that was the second thing, improving your vocabularies through listening. Let's talk about the third technique, and the third technique is about reading books. Yes, that it is the most important thing, and it is the best way to improve your vocabulary section, and you can learn a lot of vocabularies while doing this technique, while reading books, and it plays a vital role in learning a new vocabularies. And how you can do this, so let's talk about that, how you can improve your vocabularies while reading books. So let's talk about that. You just need to simply read books, okay. Just take any books, and I'm not suggesting to you all to read any particular this book, okay. I'm not suggesting you, and it is your choice. But just remember this, the more you will read, the more knowledge you will get, and the more vocabularies you will get. So there are a lot of benefits of reading books, okay. So because of that, I'm just telling to you all, and this is not a big number of reading at least 10 pages in a day, okay. You can easily do, guys. I have been doing this for a long time. I'm enjoying while doing this thing, okay. So I hope you can easily do all the thing. So how you can do this, so listen, just start reading books, and just start properly. I'm not telling to you all just go and just read. Start reading books properly. So start reading line by line every sentence, okay. And when you will start reading like this, then after you will get a lot of vocabularies, a lot of sentences, which is very important for you, and you will get a lot of vocabularies in one page. Just mark those words, and whatever you are just observing, it is very new for me, and just write down those vocabularies in your notebook, okay. After reading and after writing all the vocabularies, whatever you have got in your that page, whatever you are just reading, okay, just write down those words in your copy, and just start after reading that book, okay, just close the book, just come at that page where you have written all the meanings and all the things, vocabularies, and just after that, just go on Google and just start searching the meaning of those vocabularies, okay. That's the best way, and that is very helpful for you all. Because guys, why I'm just telling this thing, because I have implemented this thing in my journey, okay. So you just only need to write down, and just start searching the meaning of those vocabularies from Google, and just start because when you will start searching the meaning of that thing, that vocabularies, then you will get meaning of, you will get examples as well, okay. It will be very helpful for you all to remember those things with the help of examples, and you just only need to simply write down in your copy the meaning and the examples, whatever you have got from the Google, while searching the meaning. And that is all about the third technique. It is most powerful technique of upgrading your vocabulary section. And let's start the fourth technique, and the fourth technique is about learning those vocabularies with the context, with the help of context. Like what's happening with you all, whenever you are just trying to learn, and whenever you are just trying to memorize all the vocabularies, you are just memorizing, and you are just trying your best to learn all alone. So what will happen with you? After some time, you will definitely forget that, and it is quite obvious for you, because when you will try to learn those vocabularies, then it is quite obvious you will forget all the thing. So what you just need to do? You just need to do learn all the vocabularies with the help of context. What does it mean of context? Context means you just need to learn all the vocabularies with the help of and with the examples. Let's take any example of that. How can we use and how you can learn with the help of context? Let's suppose that let's take any words like exhausted. Like you'll have to learn this word like exhausted. How can you learn this word with the help of context? Like you just need to learn this word like this. Like I am exhausted. My friend is exhausted. I am exhausted. I am feeling exhausted. And I have done a lot of works. Because of that, I am exhausted. Like this. You just only need to make any situation according to that word. And then after, just start repeating that sentence and that example out loud. And that will help you a lot. Take an example of the second word like happy. You have to memorize this. Then how you can learn this vocabulary with the help of context? Like this, you just need to speak like this and you will have to make sentences on happy. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. My friend is happy and everybody just looking happy. Like this, you will have to make all the sentences according to that word. And then after, you just need to write down and you just need to, after writing, you just need to speak out loud that sentence. And that will be make a point in your mind. And that sentence will always be in your head. And whenever the situation will come according to that word, and then after that word will come into your mind at that time. Okay, so try to do that. And that was all about the fourth technique. And the fifth technique is about column. Yes, just listen how you can do that. How you can do it. Just take any copy and just take any notebook and you just need to simply make 4 columns in your copy, in your notebook. And how you can do this, like whatever I have suggested you all in the 4 techniques, you'll have to apply those things in 5th technique. And how you can do this, like whatever initially I've told you, that just make 4 columns in your copy and just start writing those things. In the first column, you'll have to write down that new word. And the second column, you'll have to write down the meaning of that new word. And in the third column, you'll have to write down the examples according to that new word. And in the fourth column, you'll have to make your own sentences and you'll have to make your own situations according to that new word. Okay, that is the proper way to use that word, whatever you have got newly, and that is the way you can remember that word for a long time. And I can say you will remember and you can remember that word for your lifetime, and you can use that word whatever and whenever you will think now the time has come for that to use that word, and every word will be flow in your mind when you will start doing. And when you will start doing this thing, whatever I have told you about the columns, just make 4 columns and just do and just start doing all the thing. If you are just trying to make and if you are just trying to have a good vocabularies, okay, if you are just trying to have a better vocabulary section in your speaking, so just try to do that. So guys, that's all about that, like improving your vocabulary section for your speaking. So guys, in the beginning I have told you that like how it is important, and I have explained all the thing, like why it is important for us to having a vocabulary, having a good vocabulary. So because of that, just try as much as possible for you to implement those things. I'm not telling to you all just go and just start using and applying those all the techniques in one time. No, my friend, I have explained 5 techniques, and you will have to use according to your choice. Like whatever you are just thinking, I'll have to do this, and it is looking show, and it is looking best for me to improve my vocabulary section. So go there and just start doing all the thing and just start like improving your vocabulary section. Because at the end, I just wanna say to you, like that's not a big thing. And that's not a big thing to having a good vocabulary section and having a good vocabulary while speaking, but it is important. I'm not telling to you all like it is everything and you can't speak without this, but just try to understand, guys, having a basic knowledge about the vocabularies, when you will start implementing in your speaking, then after you will feel so confident and you will be able to connect all the sentences while using this thing. Because of that, it is necessary for that to having a basic knowledge about the vocabularies and having a vocabularies. So That's all about that vocabulary section. So I hope guys you have got something valuable from this video. We will meet in another video. For this time, take care, bye bye, have a good day.